Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we'll show you just how easy it is to generate stunning reports with Surveyr. Reports that will impress your clients and provide key insights in seconds. First, link your report to the activity you're analyzing, whether it's a survey or quiz. Then, follow our seamless report building process. With Surveyr, you can manually add your data, or better yet, let our powerful AI handle the heavy lifting by generating smart summaries. You can even refine these summaries with AI until you're completely satisfied. But that's not all. Surveyr can also create beautiful visual charts for your report, from bar charts to word clouds and more, giving you the power to present your data in the most impactful way. Once you're happy, simply save your report and let Surveyr turn your data into a professional-grade masterpiece. And that's it. You're just a few clicks away from delivering incredible reports. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.